Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google Docs. This is one of my documents. Now to turn on dark mode, there is no input function on Google Docs. So for that, we need to install one extension. For that, go to these three dots on the top right and go to Extensions and click on this Visit Chrome Web Store. Search over here for Google Docs Dark Mode and hit Enter. And you can see Dark Mode Google Docs. Click on this and Add to Chrome. Tap on this Add Extension. You can see this extension Dark Mode Google Docs is activated. Now go to your documents and refresh. And you can see Dark Mode is activated on our Google Docs. So in this way, we can turn on dark mode on Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.